Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video guys, I will be showing you how you can actually get the admin file or the admin URL in your WordPress. So the admin URL is the one that will make you go to these pages, open this dashboard, and do a lot of stuff in your website overall. So what you gotta do first is basically the first link of any admin that you will have to know is here. We have this page. This page is called wordpress.com/wp wp admin. So if you write this in the URL section, you will have this page. Here you will put your username, email or email address, and here you will put your password. So I'm going to put mine, and it will be open just like so. So let me just move this here. Okay, so now guys, there is the other thing, because sometimes you will not be able to join this page, and for example you were with your friend and he didn't really give you the access. How can he give you the access? Basically he can go to users. From here he can give you a new users, add a new user. From here he has to add your email, here the username, here the URL of the website, and from here he adds the administrator. And after adding you will be able also to join this page while using your email, not his email. Now there is the other tool, which is going to tools and not tools. Let me just check. Settings. Yeah, from here settings. From settings here you can add and change the administration email address from here and add your own email, and from here you will be able also to add your email to log in from the WP admin section, or to the admin username password section, you know what we talked about in the beginning, which is this page. So yeah guys, that was it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.